Okay, let's talk about installing the EM120 to your TSC5 or your TSC7. Essentially going to be the same thing. We're going to take it out of the box, attach the antenna, pull off the plate on the back of the controller by undoing the two Phillips head screws, seat the EM120 on the back of the controller, tighten the screws just slightly tight enough. Try not to over tighten them. Once it's attached, go ahead and power on your controller on the TSC5 and on the TSC7. You're going to look for the Empower app. So on the TSC5, we can just type EM. Same thing can be done in the search menu in the Windows program. You're going to open up Empower app. You're going to hear a little chirp. You're going to see on your TSC5, as shown, a green circle with a check in the middle. That means that we are running the Empower app or the Empower hub. Same thing, only slightly different picture on the TSC7. You'll have two white windows in the Empower hub. It'll be either on the left or the right, depending on which port on the TSC7 you put the antenna on, but as long as you've got that circle with the check mark, you're good to go. Gonna hit the circle located below your screen on the TSC5. Let's open up Trimble Access. I'm going to open this project and we're going to create a new job real quick. Just checking the radio connection, so we'll type in the radio. Check. I'm going to say enter. I'm going to say accept. Alright. So we're going to go to our menu. We're going to go to settings, connections, go to radio settings. I'm going to change it to match whatever's on the instrument. This instrument is on radio channel 5 and network 5. I'm going to say enter and accept. I'm going to say measure. I'm going to select my VXS series. I'm going to do a station setup. And it's going to search for that radio channel 5 and network 5.
Starting robotic connection.
Once we hear those magic words, and seems like our instrument needs to be at the service center, you're going to come to your level screen, and that means we've got a robotic connection. Power hub is running.